Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Nice to see you again. Today we're coming at you from my backyard, enjoying the birds, the breeze, and a little bit of nice lemonade. So, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a green screen on OBS. It should be very easy, should be very simple, should be very fast, that anybody can do it. So, first thing we need though is to set up the actual green screen and the lights. And then we'll go on to the OBS software and do the little settings for you, and I'll show you how to do that. Also, meet my twin brother back there. He likes very shiny things. He likes to touch shiny things to go ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. And then, you know, he likes to wear flip-flops the wrong way. But that's okay. That's okay. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, let's get started. We're going to do a quick time-lapse video of the setup process because setting up the stuff isn't that hard. And then after that, I'll actually do a step-by-step demonstration of how to do the OBS settings. Alright guys, so this is actually pretty easy to set up. The only things you're going to need is you're going to need a computer, obviously. Any kind of computer will work. I'm using a laptop here. Just keep in mind that depending on what processor you have, you might be able to either record in 720p or 1080p and all that. Right now, on this one, I'm recording at 720p. I'm also using a webcam for this. I could have used my my actual camera, the one that you're in right now, but I decided to go with something that most people would buy for streaming or just something that they would use here at home. And I went with the C920 Logitech Pro Cam. It is a 1080p 30 FPS webcam, and this works perfectly for that. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is open up OBS. This is OBS here, and this is gonna be blank. You're gonna see a black screen just like this. The second thing that you're gonna do is go ahead and add a video capture device. That's gonna be your webcam. So to do this, you just go to sources. You can right click on sources, go to add, and you are going to look for video capture device. You click on that. Then you're gonna get this option that says video capture device. You can name it something different if you want, but I just left it as video capture device. Once you have your video capture device, which is this here, then you get to see me there. You need to add filters to that video capture device. And I've made it this small. You can actually click on it and edit it however you want. You can go up and down. If you can't do that, make sure you right click on the side here, and there should be like an enable preview or a lock preview and all that. You can unlock it. Once you figure that out, right click on your video capture device, go down to filters, and you're going to add two filters. The first one is going to be the Chroma Key. The Chroma Key, for this, you just go to the plus sign and you look for Chroma Key. It's going to be the second one down, and you add that, and it should automatically pick up the Chroma Key for you. Once it picks up the Chroma Key, it'll look something like this. Boom. All right, sweet. So we got the Chroma Key done, which means now this turns gray, or it turns whatever background I have on my OBS. Next step is to add a crop key or crop tool effect. So again, you're going to go to the plus symbol at the bottom, and you're going to look for the crop/pad. You're going to add that. Once you add that, this is going to be the options that it looks like, okay? So this is so you can kind of like cut out the corners, the left and the right corners. And once I turn mine on, it's going to look just like that. It kind of zooms it in so you can cut out what the green screen can't capture. And by doing that, you can do left here and right here. So if you go up and down, you'll notice my my left side, I guess, in this case the right side, because it's switched up in the camera, starts growing, or it starts moving that way. And this is how you can zoom in without messing up the actual resolution, which it really just cuts the sides off, and get it to where you know the end of your green screen is. And of course I can do the same thing to the right. If I go higher, it'll eliminate more of the right side or the left side. So just play with that. Depending on the size of your green screen, you're gonna have to either move a little bit more than I do, or maybe top or bottom. You can do any direction that you want to. Once that is done, just close that out, and now you're going to add a media source. Now this is what you are going to use to put in the background. I actually went outside in the backyard, as you guys can see from the beginning of the video, and decided to just record my own thing because I didn't want to take somebody else's project, somebody else's video, and put it on mine. I didn't want to get like copyright infringement or anything like that. So I went outside and recorded a video, which is right here, and I'll show you. It's this video here. If I launch it, it is literally just the video of me in the backyard. Okay, so for me to add that media to this, I had to create a media source. Wow. There's a bug. I don't know what kind of bug it was. I think it was a spider. Ah! Sorry, I have a... Oh, God. Woo! Alright, anyways. Now you know my phobia. Great. Anyways, so you have to right-click on sources again, go to add, and look for media source. Add media source. Once you add the media source, you can go into the media source, double click on it, and go to browse, and you can select your video. Now you can do that as the background, or You can just select something like a YouTube video in the background and just launch it by doing like a display capture. And again, you can do that by doing to right clicking, or you can actually do this plus symbol down here and do like a display capture. So if I do like a display capture, for example, it'll capture the back, and you'll be able to see an infinite amount of me's, I guess. I don't know. Let me see. Or an infinite amount of OBS things. Hi, there's a whole bunch of me somewhere. All right, so we're gonna cancel that. We're gonna hit the little eyeball button here so you don't see it. Wait, wrong one. Hit the little eyeball on a display capture so you don't see it. But once you have your media source, you can just click on it to show up, and there I am. So guys, it is really that easy to do. It's not a hard thing to do. The OBS works flawlessly, and actually it's very similar to doing a Streamlabs OBS. So if you go to Streamlabs OBS, it gives you the option to add all these sources as well, and do the Chroma Key. All right, everybody, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like button, and make sure you share it with other people. That way they know how to do this, and it helps others out there. So thanks again for watching. I'm gonna go back to my yard and enjoy my lemonade, and I'll see you guys on the next one.